We're going to make a new project using this module. It has two servo motor connected to the 3D printed. I assembled this module. You can watch the video from the description below on how to assemble this module, consisting of two servo. So each servo, there is a cable for signal, orange, red, power supply, VCC, and then ground, brown. The same with the other cable. Two servo. We're going to move the servo up and down, this one, and the bottom servo, we will move that. We're going to move that from left to right. So from up down means tilting, and then left to right panning with the use of this joystick or analog. We will use the ground plus 5 volts BRX, the horizontal, for the horizontal. So the horizontal here is the left to right, and then BRY, vertical, up and down. So we're going to move the servo up and down and left to right using this joystick module with the help of Arduino Uno microcontroller. So these three, we will make this module micro servo to move from left to right and up and down. This is 2 degree of freedom. So 2 degree of freedom because we are using two servo. Why is it 2 degree of freedom? 2 DOF. Because we're moving it only in a vertical, and horizontal. Let us now upload the code for the project.